Hello! Today we are going to discuss the parts and uses of a stethoscope. Stethoscopes are used to hear the heart, lungs, intestines, and the blood flow of the veins and arteries. And these are the parts of a stethoscope. First, the diaphragm, for high and medium-pitched sounds. The bell, for low-pitched sounds. The tube, where sound will travel from the diaphragm or bell to the earpiece, where you will hear the sounds. Earpieces must be angled properly so you can hear properly and be comfortable. With listening to the lungs, the patient must sit upright. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And now let's proceed on how to listen to the heart. If listening to the heart, the patient must be lying down with the face and torso facing up. And you will only need to count 15 seconds if the patient has a regular heartbeat. If not, you must do a full minute. But since this patient has a regular heartbeat from the last checkups, he will only need 15 seconds. And now let's proceed. And now we're done. Okay, and now you know the parts and the uses of a stethoscope.